Visible mud tubes on foundation or framing mean subterranean termites are actively feeding and need targeted post-construction treatment now. Start by carefully removing the mud tubes to expose the wood feeding sites using a pointed tool and a stiff brush, working methodically so you do not scatter soil into nearby cracks. Once exposed, probe the damaged wood with a screwdriver to assess the extent of feeding and mark areas that need repair or replacement. Apply a localized soil treatment at the exact tube origin using a labeled termiticide or a borate solution applied per product instructions, directing treatment into voids and around the foundation seam where tubes attached. Dry the area fully and correct moisture problems immediately by repairing leaks, fixing gutters, extending downspouts, and improving ventilation under porches or crawl spaces to make the environment less hospitable to termites. Install a simple monitoring station or use periodic inspections with a flashlight and screwdriver every month for the first year to detect any reconstruction of tubes early. Keep a written log of when tubes were removed, what treatment was applied, and any structural repairs, so future technicians or inspectors can follow the history and effectiveness of the treatment. 3 common mistakes are incomplete tube removal, over-reliance on surface spraying, and ignoring moisture sources. Failing to remove all mud tubes can leave concealed feeding areas that allow colonies to persist, so remove tubes back to undisturbed soil and inspect adjacent voids. Surface spraying without treating the soil at the tube origin often fails because subterranean termites travel below grade, so focus treatment into the soil and targeted voids rather than only on exposed wood. Ignoring leaks and poor drainage lets tubes come back quickly, so always repair plumbing and grading and add ventilation where condensation or high humidity exists. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can perform targeted termite tube removal, soil treatments, and moisture remediation, and we also help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, compare products, and post before and after experiences to make post-construction termite treatment more effective.